Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving deep into a crucial aspect of web browsing, tab management in Google Chrome. If you are tired of having a cluttered browser window, struggling to find the right tab, or simply want to boost your productivity, you are in the right place. In this video, we will share 5 game-changing tips to help you master tab management like a pro. Tip 1. Effective tab closing. Let's start with a simple yet powerful technique. Learn how to close tabs swiftly using shortcut and even reopen accidentally closed tab with ease. Tip 2. Tab grouping and organization. Discover the art of tab grouping. We will show you how to create name and color code tab groups, making it effortless to switch between tasks without the chores. Tip 3. Pinning for priority. Ever wanted to keep curtains tabs at your fingertips? We will guide you through pinning tabs, a smart way to save space and ensure your essential tabs are always accessible. Tip 4. Extension for enhanced management. Explore Chrome's rich library of extensions designed to supercharge your tab management game. From session saving to tab suspending, we have got you covered. Tip 5. Scan and multi-devices management. Finally, learn the magic of scanning tabs across devices. Say goodbye to emailing yourself link. We will walk you through seamless multi-devices tab management. Conclusion. And there you have it for 5 incredible tips to revolutionize your tab management skills in Google Chrome. With this technique, you will have goodbye to tab overload and welcome a new era of organized, efficient browsing. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss our latest tips. Until next time, happy browsing.